All right guys, welcome to this week's video tip from Magnetic Trading. So we've been continuing the theme this week with the mentorship course and the trades that's set up. We were talking to you last week about the FTSE triple witching trade, which has an 89% chance of winning, and it didn't actually set up this time. It missed by 3 points, so it retains its 89% chance of winning status, but the one that just took part on Friday didn't set up. So we wait for the next triple witching, which I'm sure will set up and be a success. Nevertheless, we still have three very high probability trades setting up at the end of the month. We have the end of quarter trades on the Dow, the FTSE, and the ASX. The one on the ASX has never lost. So there is still time to get involved with all of these high probability trades. And remember, if you get part of the program, you've got all this information for life. It's not just this quarter that it's setting up. Every single quarter that sets up, these are market function trades. You will be able to collect these trades and build a meaningful amount of trading income from doing these trades. Now we're going to go across the charts in a moment, and I'm going to be talking to you about some interesting price action that's going on with the FTSE. We had the triple witching event on Friday, and actually in the stock market what you can see is you can see a pivotal event just after these expiry events. So what you see is these expiry events play out, and then if the market's been consolidating in a very small range, you can then see a big breakout. So you'll see on Friday, the message I was giving to my pro traders is that if we couldn't get above a key level at 71.30 and we broke the low just after the expiry event, we were going to see a short-term correction. That's exactly what we've been seeing today. The market has dived, and we're going to go across the chart just to see where we think the FTSE is going over the coming sessions and some trading opportunities that you can take advantage of and make some money out of.
All right guys, so we're looking at a FTSE 100 chart here, 5-minute time frame. We're going back to the 18th of June, and we're going to look at expiry specifically, which was triple witching. Options and futures were expiring. Now, if the FTSE or any market has been consolidating for a long period of time, 4 weeks plus, and then we have expiry and we break a key level in the market, then we can see a big trend change in the market. It's one to note down. So we've had a very important level if you're on our service at 7130. We've been bullish above this level, but we've been warning. In fact, this was a stop level that we said to our clients. We'd been trailing our stop up from a number of buy positions we had on the FTSE 100, but as soon as we broke below 71.30, we recommended our clients come out of any long trades that they've been accumulating from lower down to bank their profits. So we've broken this level, and then what we've seen is we've had the expiry event. Now this happened here. This is a 5-minute chart. This is expiry. Now you'll notice expiry occurred below 71.30. So what we said at the end of expiry to anyone that was in our live room, that if we see a break below this low here before we get above 71.30, then we're likely to see a short-term correction come into the FTSE 100. That's what we've seen. We broke down here, and then we've seen, if we go to the daily chart, you'll just see what has happened. We've sold off to the lows yesterday. Almost 200 points came off the FTSE. Now we've seen a bit of a bounce come up on the FTSE 100 from the lows yesterday. We've seen about a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is typical. You can see that, and it'll be very interesting to see how the price action pans out today. I think today, if the FTSE can sort of break down below yesterday's closing price and certainly stay below 71.30, then there is a case we are going lower, possibly down to 6,800, 6,800 to 6,750. That's a possible area there where I see FTSE going. Today will be pivotal. It is Tuesday today. So we'll see what happens. But at the moment, it's playing out as we expected in terms of the move after expiry. We've seen a bit of a dead cat bounce now, a bit of a short squeeze, and today's action will be very interesting. Of course, if we can stay above yesterday's close and then push up back above 71.30, that will weaken the case that we are going to see further selling, and in that case, we're pushing back up to 7,300. So interesting price action on the FTSE 100 at the moment. If you're in our live room, join us same time today, and we will be live trading in front of you and looking for a position on the FTSE. Make a note about expiry as well. It happens every third Friday of the month, and as I said, if it coincides with a break of a really important level after a consolidating market, it's a good opportunity to get involved with a big move with relatively low risk that can come after expiry.
All right, hopefully you enjoyed that, guys. So that was the magnetic video tip of the week, and we will join you same time next week. Have a great trading week and hopefully bank some profit from those trading tips we've given you.